लास्ट एपिसोड में आपने देखा कि किस तरह एनटीसी के यंग डिजाइनर हंट में यंग एंड फ्रेश टैलेंट आए और अपने काम से राघवेंद्र राठौर को इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश की। आज के एपिसोड में होगा फैसला उन टॉप 10 डिजाइनर्स का जो ब्रांड इंडिया के लिए काम करेंगे। इंटरव्यू के राउंड 2 को और टफ बनाने के लिए एनटीसी के डायरेक्टर मार्केटिंग ने जजिंग पैनल ज्वाइन किया। लेकिन ये क्या, ये राउंड तो किसी और के लिए ही मुश्किल बन गया।
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Excited? I'm good.
Too much.
हर कंटेस्टेंट जजेस को इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश में जी जान लगा रहा है, अपने काम से नहीं तो अपनी बातों से।
The only dream I and my family we dream every day. I would like to raise my pencil to work with you. I'm looking forward to it.
Basically, I'm a craft-oriented person, so I really want to promote craftsmen. So this time we had time limitations, so I just work on crafts and I take the crafts forward in my collection, be it changing of colors, but maintaining the originality along with the mixing different elements.
Yeah, because the client is very important when you design. The kind of look they prefer, the kind of colors they prefer, the fabrics.
Then yes, with product designing, with accessories, definitely. Thank you, sir. It's great talking.
I'm giving my fingers crossed
Yes.
to get a chance to work with you.
Where's the back page? These two glossy papers you want to put on the top.
A little bit of because of the colors and yeah, I know.
Hi. चंडीगढ़ की कुड़ी
Yes.
कितनी एक्साइटेड है?
Nervous ज़्यादा हूँ.
नर्वस ज्यादा है। क्यों? यार रजिस्ट्रेशन काउंटर पे तो बड़ी एक्साइटेड थी।
Excitement के साथ साथ nervousness आ जाती है ना अपने आप से.
अच्छा, ओके।
Exactly.
कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर वर्क?
Yeah.
या? हो जाएगा।
Hope so.
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you.
This is all I made it on the basis of pop art. The theme is pop art. So I drawed all. I like street fashion. So basically I work on that.
What does pop art mean? Is the pop art? Is that what you said?
Pop art.
What?
Pop art.
Oh,
Spell it.
P-O-P-A-R-T.
Pop art.
Pop art.
Pop art.
Okay. We were thinking of pop art.
No, pop art.
But
I thought
because
your
the color, the inspiration is.
चंडीगढ़ की रचना के पोपट सॉरी पॉप आर्ट ने जजेस को काफी एंटरटेन किया, जिससे कि आगे के इंटरव्यूज के लिए माहौल काफी लाइट हो गया।
That seems to be really heavy, your stuff.
Yeah, it's very, very heavy.
Okay. And impressive too?
I guess, yeah, it'll be impressive.
Okay.
And I just realized that I'm scared. I don't know.
Scared?
I just realized.
My name is Tipsy. I'm in for accessories, although my illustrations are for FT because that's my formal training.
What is this? Gabardine or?
Sorry, this was supposed to be gabardine. This is supposed to be
Okay,
rendering
fair
of
enough.
cotton.
And you're working with the government, you have to, give your 100%. So there's no midway streets there.
I can write well. Yes, I can write well.
You spell well?
Yes.
Basic.
Is that a word?
Okay, fair enough. You won.
I'm relieved, I'm happy, satisfied, and it was great meeting him. I think he's a very nice human being.
He's very nice.
He's a very nice guy. Okay, that's the feedback that we get from Rachna.
I like-
What feedback did you get for your work?
Actually, basically he liked my work that I made, the garments, the street garments.
So basically, it was a mutual admiration. He liked her work and she liked him. Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I'm really happy. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm really happy. I didn't expect that the interview would go so great. So I'm really happy. All the comments all the inputs that he gave were meaningful, and I'm really happy.
So how was it?
Yeah, it's good.
Good.
Of course.
चहल तो अंदर कितनी चहल पहल मचाने वाली हैं आप?
Let's hope काफी.
With your designs.
I hope काफी.
Coffee. Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Are you a design student
I'm a
or?
product design bachelor's, and then I did my master's in design strategy. These are some techniques like quilting, paper quilting, and everything. Hand sketching, 3D perspective drawing.
Good question. If I was to ask you for directions from here to the Qutub Minar, what will you do?
maybe draw very quickly back.
Okay, that's a great. What else?
इतने सारे टैलेंटेड कंटेस्टेंट्स में से बेस्ट को चुनना जजेस के लिए काफी मुश्किल है, क्योंकि यहाँ कोई किसी से कम नहीं है। जजेस कंटेस्टेंट्स को डिजाइनिंग के हर पैमाने पर परख रहे हैं। Judges are having a tough time on deciding the top 10 finalists as all the contestants were equally good. इंटरव्यूज के बाद जजेस ने सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के क्रिएटिव पोर्टफोलियोज मंगवाए और वो फिर से उन पर नजर डाल रहे हैं, जिससे कि एक फेयर डिसीजन पर पहुंच पाएं और उनके हाथ से कोई डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट छूट न जाए।
Wasn't it exhausting?
Well, I'm pleasantly surprised that there are really unique little stories in each person's, but they themselves don't know what their strengths are.
What their own story is.
Yeah, there was a person who was excellent in product, but she has better prints than others. So I guess
one is a very good illustrator, but she wants to do accessories, and
yeah, so
it's about everybody following their dream.
It's the mood of India, as they say. So, so but we've got our people. So,
we've got our people, right.
The stage is set. Dignitaries आ चुके हैं और कुछ ही देर में NTC को अपने 10 यंग डिजाइनर्स मिल जाएंगे। इंतजार की घड़ियां खत्म होने को हैं। किसी के सपने सच हो जाएंगे, किसी की जिंदगी बदल जाएगी, तो किसी को खाली हाथ ही घर लौटना पड़ेगा। अब बस कुछ देर और।
I just want to bring to your notice that I've probably in the last 5 years not seen such a strong concentration of great portfolios, and my team and myself have been sitting in that room trying to figure out how to bring value to the people who have made all this effort. I congratulate them. Each one of them is a winner. This is a cyclic process, and I believe that if you have Medicis like the NTC supporting the young talent, which is much needed, you will see that this is going to become an annual event bigger than other mediums have offered.
यहाँ आए पार्टिसिपेंट्स के टैलेंट को देखते हुए और उनके जीत के जज्बे और लगन को सैल्यूट करते हुए NTC ने सबको पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज देने का फैसला किया। अब यहाँ से कोई भी खाली हाथ वापस नहीं जाएगा। पार्टिसिपेशन प्राइज पाकर कंटेस्टेंट्स थोड़े रिलैक्स्ड हुए हैं, लेकिन रिजल्ट को लेकर उनकी नर्वसनेस बढ़ती जा रही है। So, to appreciate these young and talented designers, Raghavendra Rathore also has a surprise for them.
Life goes on. We drift deeper, drift deeper. We drift deeper into the sound. Life goes on. We drift deeper into the sound, feeling strong. Spray it on, spray it on. We drift deeper into the sound, life goes on. We drift deeper into the sound, feeling strong. Spray it on.
ये फैशन शो सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स के चेहरों पर मुस्कान तो ले आया और काफी हद तक उनको कंपटीशन से डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने में सफल रहा, पर अब समय आ गया है इनके इंतजार को खत्म करने का। कौन होंगे वो 10 लकी फाइनलिस्ट्स जिन्हें मौका मिलेगा एनटीसी के साथ काम करने का, अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ राघवेंद्र राठौर हिमसेल्फ। कौन होंगे वो 10 लकी फाइनलिस्ट्स जिन्हें मौका मिलेगा एनटीसी के साथ काम करने का, अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ राघवेंद्र राठौर हिमसेल्फ।
The final moment when we are announcing 10 winners. We start. Are we ready? All right. The first person, not in any order, Mr. Narendra Singh. Mr. Devi Prasad, number 17. Miss Chanchal Garg, number 30. Miss Vasundhara Sharma. Number 33, Advaita Mathur. Well, how can we miss out on number 1, Kunal Raheja. And number 2, Amit Kumar Singh. Number 15, Amit Heer. The next, number 6, Holt Kapoor. Miss Anjali Rana, number 4. There are 2 people we have kept on the waitlist category. Number 23, Miss Benita Day, and number 31, Miss Timsi Mittal.
So we have the lucky 12 winners right here. The additional 2 winners, can we have you here first?
Okay.
The additional 2 winners. These are the 2 winners who joined the, battalion of 10 young designers. So we have a whole lot of 12 young designers. Kunal, can we have you forward?
It's an open opportunity for all of us.
Yeah.
And definitely we would want to capture this all and would really work hard.
And make the most out of it?
Sure.
Well, all the best.
Thank you.
Finally, you won, yeah?
I get to work with Raghavendra Rathore.
Yay! Do that.
Yay!
It still feels like a dream, honestly. I feel like I'm going to wake up and
I'm going to pinch you. It's no more a dream. It's a reality now.
We are the NTC Young Designers.
Well, so we finally have the 10 young designers. So how was the journey, Raghavendra?
Well, I think it's interesting to see the kind of wide spectrum and talent that exists in the country, and I think for each specific field of design, from fashion to interiors to furniture.
What would you say about your association with NTC?
I personally think that if the intentions are maintained,
Yeah.
and this could actually propel Indian design to the next level.
Right.
Because Brand India, the ultimate label that they will be designing for, will have a very cross section of people
Right.
all over the globe looking at the product.
Well, this is a wonderful initiative by NTC. Do you think इस initiative के बाद एक दरवाज़ा खुल गया है, बहुत सारे young talents को एक opportunity मिल रही है आपके जैसे बड़े designer के साथ काम करने के लिए?
Well, I think the opportunity is here, but ऐसा platform जहाँ पर सारा talent एक जगह आके comes up with beautiful designs is not been done before. So I think. Right. I personally think it's a fantastic opportunity. The
final winners are, completely excited to work with you. How thrilled are you?
I think it's wonderful to have a young army of very talented designers to give them direction and to also expect them to come up with some radical new ideas that will define the new modern Indian design.
Well then, all the very best, and I hope you have a wonderful time with your battalion of young designers.
We shall report back in some point. Thank you.
Absolutely. Wonderful initiative. What do you have to say about this initiative? What really prompted you to come up with a young designer hunt like this?
The initiative that the company has taken is to set up an in-house design department so that the company can have its own design department.
Right.
And with that design, we are going to open about 100 Brand India stores across the country.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So the designs will be used in the Brand India stores of NTC.
What message would you like to give them? What do you have to say about these?
We would like to get the best out of their design talents for the benefit of NTC and thereby to the nation as a whole in the days to come.
अपनी मंजिल की तरफ पहली उड़ान भर रहे इन युवा डिजाइनर्स के लिए आज का दिन किसी सपने से कम नहीं था। दिल्ली के चढ़ते हुए पारे को झेलकर, हर पड़ाव को पार करके, राघवेंद्र राठौर की हर कसौटी पे खरा उतरकर आखिर में इन 12 कंटेस्टेंट्स की लगन को जीत मिल ही गई। ये कुछ अनजान, आम से चेहरे आज खास बन गए।
What a day that was! Nervousness, excitement, and finally the lucky 12 winners, जिनकी creativity जल्द ही आपके घरों तक होगी through NTC's Brand India. Till then, stay creative and live in style.